very important you keep your airspeed above 140.
Okay. This is so cool.
It's flying the plane.
Yeah, I see.
You wake me up 20 minutes before landing.
What? It's all right, David. I think I know what I'm doing. What is that? What? That. There, what is that? You see that? Whoa! Wake up, Dad! Dad!
Where did that come from?
Hang on! We're gonna turn and try to run this thing. Get your belts on.
Dad! We're going out of control!
Hang on! Sucking us in! Hang on! Brace yourself! Come on! Go for the door! Open the door! It's a brother! Where are we? What is this place?
I don't know, Davey. I don't know.